Hi everyone, and welcome to the unboxing of something different. Again, this is a keyboard I got. I saw the advert on Instagram and I thought, okay, wow, this is pretty cool. And I love using my Logitech accessories like my mouse, and I have the travel one as well, which I use for this. Now this is a Microsoft mouse, which I have had for keyboard rather. I've had this for quite some time. And I thought, let me use this rather than getting a keyboard, but I just really liked how this looked. So I would pop this here for now and quickly do the unboxing for you guys to see, show you all what it comes with. And this is the I got the plus one, so that's the one that comes with the extra sort of the extra bit that comes with. That's for the hand to rest your hands. Let's see, I'm just trying to open this here. I tried cutting it with the scissors, but that was quite difficult. So that's this bit here. I'll take that out. Yeah, I guess I can just bring it out from this end. So that's how the box comes. Okay, pull this out, drop the scissors here. Apologies, my dog is in the background, so you might hear some sniffing and all of that. These Frenchies love to smell. So that's the box, you know, shows you what the content is, the color, and it's obviously empty inside. I'll pop that out of this sort of space for now. And that's it, the MX Logitech. Okay, it tells you how to go about setting it up. Oh, it's quite a heavy keyboard actually. I'll pop that down for now. Let's see what else. You get the Logitech sort of okay, so this is another bit that goes with it. That's the extension. And this, what else is it? Okay, now that's empty, so I would pop this aside for now. So in here we've got the let's see what's in this box. We got here, this is a USB Type-C cable for charging it. You got the manuals, and you got the USB thing if you want to plug it into your computer. That's pretty cool. Keep that there. This is the palm rest. So this bit actually made the thing go up by like, I think, a couple of pounds. So that's empty. I'll pop that aside. So the palm rest has got a very soft feel to it, and then loggy at the bottom. So that will probably go there. And this bad boy, which is wrapped pretty nice actually. You get a book, opinion, not a book, sorry, a leaflet in there. Pop that aside. Voila. This is a very solid keyboard. It is super heavy. The quality, it's definitely quality, this one. So I'll just move the computer back. Switch it on this way. Then it's probably time to set it up. Wow, okay, the keys. Okay, I haven't even read the instructions on how to pair it. EMC, let's see. What does this say? MX Master 3, the ultimate companion to your MX keys. Okay, so basically telling you to get the next generation sort of mouse. I have the generation 2. So I have the MX2 and not so much the MX3. So I guess I'm hoping it works automatically. Let's see. Google is doing its thing. What I'll do is I'll move this to this side so we can see it. If I go Bluetooth, because I'm going to connect mine via Bluetooth, you see. But yeah, this is a beautiful, solid keyboard, and this is very nice and soft, the mouse thing. Waiting for the settings to open. But that's basically what this is. Pretty slick. I'm not sure what happened to the settings there. Okay, that's the Bluetooth there. Add a Bluetooth device. It's showing me all my items, the Bluetooth. I'll bring that to the bottom here so we can see it. MX keys. And then it says I should type in this number. 710 202. I'm not sure if that works. It normally is 710202. Enter. Fantastic. So that's it, it's paired. So I can pair up to 3 different systems. So what's beautiful is I can pair my mobile device, I can pair my iPad, I can pair my MacBook, and just use everything. And guys, that's about it. Okay, so it's got the command and the start. So it's got for both Windows and Mac. So you have benefits of the 2 options there. The volume up and down button here. I can do the whole multiple windows thing, which is pretty cool. Yeah, and it just works, right? I'll try that with the Logitech. I know I have a Logitech app. Kenzo, stop! My dog makes all these weird sounds. He's licking his hose. Well, I don't know where the app is, but yeah. So anyway, guys, that's about it. Just that I'll just do a quick unboxing and pairing. Simple, straightforward, and it's good to go. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, and I would try to answer your questions. You all take care and have a lovely rest of the week. Goodbye.